How to use a Visa card on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can use a Visa card on Mercari. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari's account, and then once you are logged in, the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and then click on it. If you are logged in, you will no longer see the option login or sign up. Instead, you see your profile icon. So once you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu that appears, ensure you select the option payment methods. Okay, payment methods, or you will see if you can't find payment method, you will see settings. Click on settings, and then once you're in settings page, select payments. And after selecting payment, you will see the option for you to add payment method, and then select that, and then tap on credit/debit card. Then once you do that, you'll be redirected to the page where you can now enter in your Visa card information, including the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Ensure the information is correct, and then you may need to make a small purchase to verify your card. That is how it's done, okay? And then once the card is verified, you can now use it to make purchases on Mercari by selecting it as your payment method during checkout. So the major way to use your Visa card, or the first step in using your Visa card, is to first of all add it as a payment method. Once you've added it and the card has been verified, you can now use it to make purchases as your payment method during checkout of items. So it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching and have a good day.